You guys want to learn how to do the perfect makeup? Well, for today's video, I will teach you how. And you need to look down when you're doing it. Start from this corner. And you draw a line there. You could either leave it like that or you can add something extra. Next thing is you're gonna connect it. So first you need to curl your lashes. I'm gonna zoom in closer so you could see. And now we're gonna apply mascara about 20 times to make your lashes longer. Make sure they're all pointing at the same direction. Now I know this sounds crazy, but you need to curl them again so they firmly stay together. See how good it looks? Almost like false lashes. Now let's do the other one. I probably don't have to curl this one, but I'm gonna do it just in case. Lip combo. First, you outline the lips. You fill it in with a lip gloss. Perfect. Now you look like a baddie. But we're not done yet, because now I am going to add my concealer and my bronzer. Oopsies, it's the other way around, isn't it? My concealer and my bronzer. So a lot of people like to put a lot, but I only put a little bit. Watch the magic begin. Perfect. Now I look like a baddie. Rate my 2025 makeup look from 1 to 10. This is with the glasses. This is without the glasses. Bye bye. Like and subscribe for more videos like these.